Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your Tashauni, but don't ask Shawnee. And I'm back again. Back to back, bitch. We back again. Hey. So yes, I look very crazy. Like a lot of people be telling me, like, why do I come on camera? Why do I come on camera looking crazy? Because I don't care. Like, not that I don't care about how I look, but I don't care to let y'all see my natural hair. Like, girl, I'm about to get this wig on my head. We about to see. Y'all about to see it. I'm about to look like a bad bitch. Like a bad bitch. Like a bad bitch. But you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so yeah, I don't care. I still look at my face. You oh my god, the oil got on my hand. So I put oil in my hair, but it be getting on my shirt. But yeah, I'm about to look like a baddie bee. So stay tuned for that clip. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And you got to see the baddie pop out. Like, just keep watching. Never mind, I got up mad early for no reason. Like, I be liking to be early to my appointments, but it got pushed back just a little. So I soon leave and see my friend. I haven't seen her in a while, but I dropped my hair to her, so I've seen her then. But yeah, I can't wait for y'all to see my hair. Like, I can't wait for me to see my hair. Like, I want to look like bad, just bad. Like, it's been a while. Next clip, you're gonna see me traveling there. So yeah. Let's see. Y'all, why I got caught up on TikTok? I officially show y'all me. Just know, disclaimer, kind of, I had to split the video in two, so I had to do this part over to end the video off. But hey y'all, like, just act like y'all ain't hear that and you don't go with the flow. So basically, y'all see my hair? Do y'all like my hair? Thank you if you said yes. If you said no, you a hater, but like, you know, you still watching, so I love you. But yeah, this hair is really actually good and I love it. Like, I love it. A lot of people tell me that it compliments my skin and that they love this color on me. Yeah, I love the color on. Get into the 26 inch, even though it's curly right now. It's 26 inch and it touched my booty. But yeah, this hair's from Coco. I'm gonna put as much as I can in the description box below because I bought this hair in the summer and I waited for my friend to come back to install it. Y'all already know who on the install. Like, come on now. Period. But, yeah. I'm not one of those stingy girls to keep information. I don't gatekeep, whatever. Like, I'm going to tell y'all. But I'm going to tell you as much as I know. So if you know and you find this here, comment down below for the baddies if I forget or if I don't remember. Like, I'll put in the description below. But yeah, happy Valentine's Day, you guys. If I look cute. If you think I look cute, give this a thumbs up, like, right now. But yeah, see y'all in the next video. And if y'all see me look different, like no lashes, no this, whatever, don't watch that. Like, don't watch that. But I still look cute. Like, okay, but bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's video post notifications to be notified when I post another video. And later, it's the baddie for me. It's the baddie for me. Okay, bye.